Please, Samriddhi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you. I request you all to
Good
sit
morning,
with your
ma'am.
camera on. Anya Mittal, every day you need the reminder or you forgot to switch on your camera. Anna Agarwal, Vivan Balchandani, Rudra. Everyone, please sit with your
Ma'am,
camera
my
on.
camera is on.
Now it's
Ma'am,
on.
my camera is on.
Now it's on. Dhairya, Rudra Master, Megdad, Rudra Jajaria, Ruth. Everyone, please turn your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not getting on.
Daria, you facing this problem from so many days. Either you send me the mail, then I will allow you to sit with the camera off.
But ma'am, I'm trying so much. It will
No,
happen.
but I can see many times it gets turned on, and many
Yeah, ma'am.
times you get it off. So please send me the mail so that I'll allow you to sit with the camera on. Otherwise, I'll not allow to sit with the camera off. Okay? Aryaman Sangai, sit with your camera on. Rudra Jajaria, Rudra Master, Megdad.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yeah, yours is on. Children, I will assume that you are absent in my class if you sit with your camera off. Kevna, sit with your camera on, please. Ekan, sit with your camera on. And again, I am announcing in my class students, those who are leaving my class 5 minutes before. Yes, that day also, last working day, I have noticed on Saturday, Ekansh has left 3-4 minutes before. So why, Ekansh? You are in hurry to leave the class? You know, na, what is the class timing?
Ma'am, we want to go to office and work.
Yeah, he wants to go to office and work. That's why he's leaving his class early. Please leave your class on time until and unless I will not say bye to you all, you will not allowed to leave the class. It is strictly, I'm telling you, I know the students who are leaving my class early. So next time I will block the link whether you will not able to enter in my class and you will not able to go out from my class. Clear, everyone? Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
So, children, as you all know that we
Ma'am,
have,
am I visible?
yes, visible. Mikdad, I'm going to remove you. Ridan, sit properly at your place. Rudra Chacharia, sit properly at your place with the camera on, please. Anushka, each and every child need special, the teacher call their names, then only they will turn on their camera. Gunav, turn on your camera, please. Karnav, turn on your camera, please. Okay, students, as you know that we have already started the fractions and we have done many classes, 4 to 5 classes with the fractions. As in the last class, we have done reduced to the lowest term. So I have given this fraction to you all. Please start doing in the notebooks and tell me the answers. 24 upon 32. Samriddhi, you wait. No, you wait. You wait. Let everyone do this. Okay, because you already joined early. So I want to give the chance to other students also to write this and start doing. Karnav, Gunav, Vivan, Ekansh, Megdad, leave my class. Vivan Balchandani, I have given something to do, but I can see not doing anything. Children, today I am telling you one more method to do this. Always start with the 2 table. Always start with the number 2. If both the numbers are divisible by 2, then you take 2. If both the numbers are not divisible by 2, then you go to 3. Okay? And then you go not see, these are the numbers when you check. With the 2, with the 3, with 5, with 7, with 9, with 11, with 13. Okay? Which numbers are these?
Even numbers.
Factors.
Which numbers are these? These are not factors. Yes, factors. So we have done that day. Okay. Factor method we have done that day, Yash. This is the another method I am telling you to check with these numbers. Okay. First, if the numbers are divisible by 2, divide it with the 2, both the numbers, and find the quotient. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. Yes? Tell me what. Both the numbers should be divisible by 2. If they both are divisible by 2, first divide by 2. So when you divide 24 by 2, you will get 12, and 32 by 2, you will get 16. Again, these numbers are divisible by 2. 6 and 8. Again, these numbers are divisible by 2. 3 and 4. Are the number divisible by any number now? No. Now they are divisible by their own number. So we stop. And this is the lowest term for this number. Got it? This fraction.
That means we have to do together both also we can do, right?
Which together?
Means you said the another type of this.
Yes.
Then that we have to do with both one in one time only, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The first method which I have explained you, that you need to see 24 first divisible by 2. Then how many times? 2 into 12 equals to 24. Okay. Then whether 24 is coming in the table of 3. 3 into how many times 24? 3 8s are. In table of 4, 24 is coming. 4 into
6.
6 is equals to 24.
6.
In table of 5, 24 is coming.
No, ma'am. No,
In
ma'am.
table of 6, 24 is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen here. 6 is already there. So we stop. We will now 7, it is not coming. In table of 8, it is coming, but 8 we have already taken. In table of 9, it is not coming. In table of 10, it is not coming. We will check till 10. Take a U-turn. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 are the factors of 24. Find the factors of 32 and tell me the students fast. I can see no one is doing. Kushahuja is sleeping and taking rest. Twisha is also not doing. No one is trying to do this. So children, can I go further? I will not explain you. You don't want to listen this?
No, ma'am.
Please do that. Find the factors of 32 and tell me. Fast.
Ma'am,
3 upon 4. 3 upon 4.
3 upon 4 will be the lowest term, final lowest term. I want the factors of 32 the way I have find out the factors of 24.
ma'am, 4 by 8 and 8 by 4.
First start with 2.
Ma'am,
2 multiplied by 16.
It is going 2 multiplied by 16 is 32.
4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32.
4 multiplied by 8 is equals to 32. And tell me.
8 multiplied by 4 is equal
No,
to
ma'am, 6.
6.
8.
6 8, yeah?
Yeah.
No, it is not coming in the table of 6.
Ma'am, 8 multiplied 8 4s are.
Nah.
8 fours are.
Yes, just this much.
Ma'am, 8 fours are 4. That is only 1, no?
Yes, yes, it's all one. We will not take now. Take a U-turn. These are the factors 2, 4, 8, and 16. And with what is anyone written that? What were the factors of 24? Can you tell me? 2, 3,
2, 3, 4,
4,
6, 8, 12.
6, 8.
No, ma'am, I remember 2, 3, 5, 6, 8,
5 will
10.
not come. In 24 is not coming in the table of 5. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Yes?
Yes,
So what is the highest common in this? What is the highest common in this?
Ma'am, 8 then there will
8
be
is
12
the
also.
highest common. Divide 24 by 8, divide 32 by 8 and find the lowest term. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I got the factors of
Tell me.
32. Ma'am, it's 2, 4, 8, 56 and 32.
So when you divide by 8, 24 and 32,
Ma'am, 3.
3, and then denominator will be? Anushka, what will be the denominator? How denominator?
4.
4.
4.
Okay. So now children, stop writing. Look at the board now. Children, as you all know, what is find the
Ma'am,
value? Yes, please.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second trick today. I understood the trick you had taught.
So any if you have understood first also,
3 by 4.
if you understood Ayush first also, then also good. No, don't confuse yourself in all the tricks. Okay, Ayush? Don't get yourself confused in all the methods. If you know first method, that also right. Mathematics has several methods. Can I go further now to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Today's topic is find the value.
What was the... Ma'am,
Ayush, you facing network issue, you please write your query in the chat box. In the chat box, because you're facing network issue. I cannot hear you properly.
ma'am, what is the term called? What was this? I took what the 3 by 4 called? I just took out.
Fraction. 3 upon 4. 3 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator.
No, ma'am.
My dear, be quick, Ayush. Please write it in the chat box. Ayush, write it in the chat box. I'll give you answer definitely. Or at the last 5 minutes, you ask, please. Okay?
That let's see.
Now, children, 1/3 of 12. This we have done in the grade 4 also. How to find out what is 1/3 of 12? Who will tell me? Please raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Rahil, what is 1/3 of 12? What is 1/3 of 12, Rahil? Anushka, what is 1/3 of 12? Yes, Kevna, what is 1/3 of 12?
Ma'am, I know.
Pay attention here now.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, 4.
4.
Yes. So at the place of what we will put? Multiplication sign. Okay. Multiply the numerator with the numerator. 12 into 1 is 12. And nothing is here in the denominator. We put 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Divide 12 with the 3. What you will get? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Answer is 4. Got it? Now, what is 2/5 of 20? 2/5 of
4, ma'am, 4.
20 into 2 is, we put 1 here, 20 into 2 is 40, and 40 divided by 5.
4.
Oh, 4. Divide it and tell me the answer. Everyone is copying the answer.
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. And when the denominator is coming 1, it is no value. We see the numerator only. Clear?
Yeah, I can.
Now open your textbook, everyone.
Ma'am, it will be 8.
Yes. So today your worksheet is based on this. Please open your textbook, everyone.
Find the value in the notebook.
It's your choice.
We have to write find the value in the notebook.
It's your choice, Ayush.
Okay, ma'am.
Open your textbook, everyone. I told you to make a spin top, magic top. Is there any child who had made that? No one. Because not taking studies seriously. That is why.
Ma'am, I don't have the textbook.
You don't have textbook. This. Dhyan, you don't have? Yes or no?
No.
So where it is, you have or you don't have today only?
Ma'am, I don't have today only. I will bring it today.
Okay. So children,
Ma'am.
open page number 52. Open page number 52, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Karna.
Ma'am, page number.
What, Karna?
Ma'am, you can explain. Just find the value one more time.
I will explain, no problem. Okay, first let me do the textbook exercise, then again I will do. Everyone open this page number 52, and please switch off your mics. Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 to Raji. We were doing this that day. 1/3 to Sugandha, 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of the chocolate did she eat? So that's the 1/3, 1/4. Just now we have completed. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji. 12 she was having. So what is the 1/4 of 12? Children, 1/4 of 12. Find out and tell me.
Ma'am, is it 3?
Yes.
Ma'am, 3.
So please write Raji will get 3. 1/3 to Sugandha. What is 1/3 of 12 again? Children, students, what is 1/3 of 12?
Am I returned this? 4.
1/3 of 12 is 4.
4, ma'am.
Next, and 1/6 to Sheila. What is 1/6 for 12 of 12? 1/6 of 12.
7.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
2.
Half of 12.
1/6 of 12 is 2. Yes. How many pieces of chocolate did each will get? Raji will be 3, Sugandha will be 4, Sheila will be 2. So remaining with the Manju. Tell me what Manju will get.
Ma'am, what?
3.
1. Ma'am, 3.
Raji got out of 12. Raji got 3.
3.
Sugandha got 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Sheila got
Ma'am, it's done like that.
9. So how many Manju will get?
9.
How many Manju will get? I am asking. Out of 12, how many Manju will get? Three. Three. Yes. And what part of chocolate did Manju get? If we see the fraction. So what fraction Manju is getting? Students,
3/12.
3 upon 12.
Ma'am, 1/4.
Yes, and Karnav is saying 1/4. 3 upon 12 and 1/4 is same, Karnav. When you do the lowest term of 3 upon 12, you will get 1/4. Got it, Karnav?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Take the new page.
Ma'am.
Ayush, individual query at the last 5 minutes. Okay? Ayush, individual query at the last 5 minutes.
Practice time only.
Yes, tell me.
I mean, it's not an individual. I am asking about the practice time only. Ma'am,
Yeah.
you said that Raji will get three. Then Sugata will get 4. But you divided it with 12. You took the one third of 12. But that's not supposed to be because Raji already has 3 of the chocolate. So only
No.
9 are left, right?
But
So
we do from the total only.
from
But we do from the total only,
okay,
not from remaining part.
okay, ma'am.
This way your answer will come 3, 4, 2 and 3. And if we talk about the part, it will be 3 upon 12 and the 1/4. We can say it 1/4 also when we do the lowest term of this fraction. Go to the next page. Color the hats. Count the number of hats. Start counting how many hats they have. Total number of students. If we start from here 1, can you all count it with me? 1.
15.
How many are there? 15.
14.
Those who are quoting, they are wrong. Those who are saying 14, they are wrong. It's 15.
15.
Can you stop now, please, students? Color 1/3 of the hats red. 1/3 of 15. What is 1/3 of 15? How many hats you will color red?
5.
1/3 of, no, 1/3 of 15. 5. 5. So color 5 hats red. You will color after the class. 5 hats red. Go to the next. Color 3/5 hats blue. 3 upon 5. 3/5 hats blue. 3 upon 5 multiply by 15. How many hats you will color blue? 3 upon 5 is the fraction. 15. 9. Very good. Who told 9? Yes, very good. So you will color 9 hats blue. How many hats did you color red? So you will write 5. How many hats did you color blue? You will write answer 9. What part of the hats are not colored? 3 you will color red. 9 you will color blue. How many total? 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many hats are remaining without color out of 15?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, very good. So 15 minus 12, when you do, you will get 3. Go to the next.
Yes.
Go to the next. Wait a minute, students. Ad coming. This page. Equal parts of a triangle. See, this triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. If you cut them, you can see, and when you put it each part on each other, you will see all are equal. So can you try on the another triangle how you can cut them so that all the 3 parts should be equal? Can you try and tell me? Show me in the books if you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Please show how you can divide this triangle so that each part will be equal. All 3 parts will be same. Jahan Agarwal is showing me. Let me pin Jahan. Yes, Jahan. Jahan, it's not visible to me clearly. Can you show me again?
I'm in car, so car is vibrating.
Okay, okay. No problem. Let give
I
chance to
will
her.
see you afterwards.
Okay. Can any other child will try?
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Who is showing me? Ridhan? Who is showing me?
Ma'am, Radhan.
Okay, Ridhan, can you please show me? Let me pin you. It's not clearly visible. No, nothing. Put little up. Yeah, he is coloring the hats. It's okay. Put little up. I want to see the triangle part, Ridhan.
No.
No, still not visible. Move. Is there any other child who is ready?
Ma'am, करना पड़ेगा.
Let me pin Karnav. Let me pin Karnav. Karnav, show me how you will divide the triangle. Show me fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can
Ma'am,
please.
present.
Wait, Ridhan, wait. Yes, it's not visible.
Ma'am,
Yeah, that is the coloring you have done. I want the triangle part, how you divided the triangle with different. Yes, Ridhan. Ridhan, this is the hats part is visible. Triangle is not. Little more, put a little up. थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो. No. This is the color. Okay, I am put it down now. I am going to show you that how.
Ma'am, Simriddhi.
Yes, please. Show me, Dharin.
Yeah, ma'am. 2 minutes. I'm removing the blur.
Okay. I will see it later on now. Look here, we can divide. I will show you how to divide this. And you can also with another method also. It's not compulsory in this way only. See, when you divide the triangle in this way, if you cut the each part of the triangle, you will get all the three triangles equal. Got it?
Ma'am, I've done this way only.
Okay, very good. Now go to the next page. 6 parts of a rectangle. If you see this green color, Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 parts. Alag alag tarike se, but all the 3 parts are equal. Can you divide this blue part?
Ma'am, because of internet connection, I left what we did in the C part.
C part we have learned how to divide the triangle into 3 equal parts so that each part is equal. You can try with the another method, but this I am showing you. When you cut the each triangle and when you overlap on each other, you will see that all the 3 parts are equal. Go to the next page. Rani has divided a green triangle in all the 6 parts are equal. So can you try this different way so that you can divide this blue rectangle? Please show me. Please show me. Try this.
2 minutes. I'm just completing it. Okay, good.
Please, any other child who is ready?
Ma'am, now I'm ready. On the ma'am, I've done one sleeping line, 3 standing line, and here 3 standing line, and down 1 sleeping line.
So all the parts are equal. Can you see that?
Yeah, ma'am, but I have not drawn right now.
But no, dividing in such a way, let me pin Anushka, dividing it in such a way so that all the parts should be equal. Yes.
The parts are equal.
Yes, Anushka, can you please
Ma'am,
explain?
see mine. Ma'am, see mine.
Wait, Dhyan. Yes, Anushka is right. Let me see. Dhyan, can you bring it little this way towards the more towards the left side, more left side, your right side, and put it little up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but this way you divide the rectangle in the textbook also. Okay, children, I am going to show you some ways how we can do it. We can do it in the 6 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also one way. And you can draw 6. This is 6 columns I made. You can make 6 rows also, then also will be okay. It depends on you how you are dividing it. Now you divide each of these rectangle into 6 different parts. Use a different way for each other. And 3. This is your home task which you are going to do. I am going to show you how I did this. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can make different ways to divide this. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
will you check that each part is equally 1/6 of the rectangle they see? Then you need to cut and overlap, or here it is not possible to cut, but it seems that they are equal. But when you want to do it on the A4 size paper, there also you divide that A4 size paper in different ways, and you can check also whether all are same or not. The green rectangle is bigger than the blue one. Yes. Sorry. Can we say that 1/6 of the green rectangle is bigger than the 1/6 of the blue rectangle? Children, when you see this,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. But ma'am, the blue one is like this small.
see,
But
list
if we measure this,
there, wait, let me speak. This is the green one, which is the first one. But it's in my, here it's showing blue. Oh, it's showing little yellow part, but it's in your textbook, it's given green. When you check this one, this is green, which is given in your textbook. So this part and this part. So we can say the 1/6 of this is bigger than the 1/6 of this, because this piece is small and this is big. Am I right now, Dhairya? Have you understood why I am saying this? Got it now? Okay. Can I move further now to the next topic? Open the greedy gatekeeper story. Okay, before going to this, I want to announce that students, you read the story and come tomorrow, then you will understand it in better way. You read the story from page number 55 till page number 59. You read and come tomorrow, then you will learn it in a better way. Okay. Now, again, I'm revising, find the value. Karnav and the students, those who have not understood, please pay attention here. Okay. I'm going to do few sums here on the board. Children, again, I'm telling you from page number 55 to 59, read and come in the next class. Now, 2 upon 5 of 160. So what you need to do, at the place of, we first put a multiplication sign. And at the denominator, we put 1. Now we cut it into the, now we do it in the lowest term by cross. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. 32 times 160 will come. If you have already learned how to do it in the lowest term, now you should know here. See, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 1 will go here, it will become 10, 5 twos are 10. Now, here is 1, here is 1. Means denominator you got 1. Multiply the numerator with the numerator. 2 multiplied by 32. What is the answer?
64.
64.
64.
Got it? Next, one more sum.
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon 2 of 48. Start doing, please, fast. One this sum. One more sum I am giving you. 1 upon 3 of 99. Children, all these sums you will get in the worksheet. All these sums you will get in the worksheet also, but right now do practice in the notebook and tell me the answers fast.
Okay.
1 upon 2 of 48. Half
Ma'am,
of
my
48.
camera is not working. It is okay.
Okay. Half of 48. 1 upon 2 is half. Half of 48.
24.
Why Freya? Why others? What other students are doing? What other students are doing? What Ekansh is doing?
I'm 24.
Ma'am, 24.
How? Can you explain Ekansh how it is 24?
Ma'am, because you said no 1 upon 2 is half of the 48.
I said, but can you do with the method which I have explained you just now?
48 divided by 1 is equal to 48.
48 divided by 1? Multiply by 1.
Yes, means
40 and divided by 2
divided by 2.
is 24. 1/3 of 99. Freya, you be quiet.
I have to say no.
Yes, Ekansh, Karnav. 1/3 of 99, Karnav. Samriddhi, 1/3 of 99.
99 divided by 1.
Ma'am,
1/3 of 99. Lakshya, 1/3 of 99. Please be fast.
ma'am,
Samriddhi telling ma'am is not the answer. You need to give the answer. Your mic is off now. Karnav, are you doing? Give me fast. 1/3 of 99.
ma'am,
Ma'am, 33.
ma'am,
Samriddhi,
ma'am, actually, I am doing with mobile and the mobile is also having some network issues. In my laptop, it's showing you can't open your mic because
okay.
because you
Okay, okay. Next time come in my class prepare. 99 multiplied by 1 is 99 and divide this by the 3. Ekansh's right is 33. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. Answer is 33. Got it, everyone? Thank you, students, for today's class. You will get the worksheet based on the today's topic. If any doubts, come in my class.